Hello everyone, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of ergonomic keyboards with a closer look at the Arteck Ergonomic USB wired keyboard. If you spend long hours typing away on your computer, this might just be the solution to make your work more comfortable and efficient. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Arteck keyboard boasts a split ergonomic design, which helps to position your wrists and forearms in a more natural and relaxed position. This can alleviate strain and discomfort, especially during extended typing sessions. Now, what sets this keyboard apart is its features. It comes equipped with a cushioned wrist and palm rest, providing extra support and comfort while you work. Plus, it's backlit with 7 vibrant colors and adjustable brightness levels, making typing in low-light environments a breeze. Setting up this keyboard is a piece of cake. With its simple plug-and-play functionality, you can instantly start using it by connecting the USB wire to your computer. No need for any complicated drivers or software installations. When it comes to durability, Arteck has you covered. The keyboard is built to last, with keys that can withstand more than 3 million continuous presses. And with Arteck's 2-year customer care, you can rest assured knowing that help is just a call away if you encounter any issues. In conclusion, the Arteck Ergonomic USB wired keyboard offers a winning combination of comfort, functionality, and durability. Whether you're a professional who spends hours at the computer or a casual user looking for a more ergonomic typing experience, this keyboard is worth considering. And that wraps up our review of the Arteck Ergonomic USB wired keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech insights. Until next time, happy typing!